Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. It's time to head into CVS and see all the deals to grab this week. Depending on your store and your store prices, you could have completely free Garnier Fructis, 49-cent items for your medicine cabinet, and crazy cheap cosmetics on a number of different brands. I'm actually gonna limit myself on the brands, guys. So if you head to the full CVS list, southernsavers.com/CVS, you'll see even more cosmetics that I don't mention in the video because this is just cosmetic week. So let's head in and let's check out all the deals. We've got an unadvertised deal this week on Garnier Fructis. So buy 2 of them and get a $4 extra care buck back. Some stores, you're gonna find this regular price is $3.99. If it is $3.99 in your store, this is gonna be completely free. We have a $4 off 2 coupon from the Sunday paper 2 Sundays ago. So grab that $4 off 2 coupon. You're gonna grab 2 of them. That's basically $8 worth of shampoo and conditioner. You're gonna get back a $4 reward and you're gonna use a $4 coupon. Makes it free. In this store that I popped into just now, they are $4.29 a piece, so it makes them 29 cents after the coupons and the rewards. Now, check your CVS app because you may have a coupon, I do, for $3 off of $15 in hair care. Now, this isn't a $15 purchase, this is an $8 purchase, but there are some other deals that you could throw in with this to hit that threshold needed to use that store coupon as well. So if you throw in another deal with this, this is basically going to become a money maker or help you get more off of those other items. So it's one that I would definitely add to the list. That Garnier coupon expires this Saturday, so it's one of the many places that we have deals this week. You definitely want to use it before the coupon expires. Every week, you should be checking to see what the gift card offers are at whatever drugstore that you shop in. So this week at CVS, we can grab $50 Children's Place gift cards or spa wellness gift cards. You're gonna get back a $10 extra care buck. So this week may not be a place that you would normally shop at, but every week there are different offers. So always check to see what they are. Remember, I cannot pay with rewards for this. So I'm going to pay $50 out of pocket, but I'm going to get back a $10 extra care buck in the end that I could turn around and use on other deals that I'm grabbing today. So if you're brand new, this is what I would start with if you're wanting the gift card offer that week, so that you pay the $50, but you get a reward and you can turn around and use that on your very first deal with coupons on other items. Keep in mind too that these are a limit of 1, so don't go crazy trying to stock up on all the gift card offers. It's usually pick one of whatever the list is that week. So again, this week is a spa wellness or a children's place. You can't get one of each. It's just one offer, but always a good way to save. $10 reward on a $50 gift card is really a 20% savings. So if it's already somewhere that you plan to shop, you can still use coupons when you shop here. You're getting an extra savings on top of the savings when you end up buying other items. Grab an easy money maker on Rimmel products this week. If you haven't already used your $3 printable coupon, it's still out, so print that $3 printable. Also check your CVS app. There's another $3 there that's a manufacturer's coupon. Grab 2 Rimmel products and you're gonna get back a $5 reward. Well guys, these little eye pencils right here, $4.79. So grab 2 of them. We're gonna round up for easy math. That's basically 10 bucks, $4.79 a piece. You're gonna use $6 in coupons, 2 $3 off coupons here. You're gonna owe less than 4 bucks since we rounded up, and you're gonna get back a $5 reward. This is a moneymaker. I know that you have an insane number of eye pencils if you've been shopping drugstore deals, but whenever we see deals like this, where I'm gonna make $1 or really $2 on an item, think of that as going towards your paper towel fund and your detergent fund, because there's so many other things in the drugstores that we're gonna grab that aren't gonna be free. Well, if I can grab these items, that's helping me earn more and more rewards so that I have more rewards to buy those higher priced items. Never miss your freebies. Even if you don't need them, donate them. Great items to donate to battered women's shelters, even homeless shelters. Just take them to the church. Folks will find places to donate these for you if you don't have any ideas, or stick them in Christmas stockings. Folks can use them. So grab them, make money on them, and use that towards other items that you want. There's a pretty sweet deal on Almay this week. So when you buy $12 worth of Almay makeup, you're gonna get back a $4 reward. this actually has a pretty high limit. It's a limit of 6. So what I would encourage you to do is stop by the coupon center first or check your CVS app, because almost everybody is getting a coupon for $5 off of a $15 Almay purchase. By the way, if you're not getting those, make sure that you are part of the CVS Beauty Club. It's free to join, and it is what generates all of these beauty care coupons. So grab your $5 Almay store coupon and then look in your inserts, because we've got $3 off Almay coupons from a past insert. So these are all on the Southern Savers list. If you go to southernsavers.com/CVS, you will see all of the coupons to be using. And super fast, the Almay coupon is from the August 4th insert. So we just got it about a week ago. It's $3 off of any Almay product. So what I would recommend here, let's buy $24 worth of products, because this guy is a limit of 6. So buy $24 worth of products. You can then use your 5 off 15 store coupon and hopefully use 2 or 3 of those $3 off coupons. So here's a few ideas. These are $7.29. If you buy 3 of them, you're not quite there to hit 2 rewards. So keep that in mind. I need $24 to hit 2 rewards. So maybe grab 2 of these and 1 mascara, which is $8.29. It's $1 more. Anything that's going to get you to about $24, mixing and matching products, and then use 3 $3 off coupons. So let's just assume you find $24 worth of products. You're going to use the $5 store coupon. You're going to use $9 in manufacturer's coupons. Guys, that's $14 worth of coupons. So your total due is going to be $10 on that $24 purchase. And then you're going to get back $8 in rewards. So you've basically doubled the deal. In the end, you grabbed 3 products and you're paying $2 for them after rewards. It's a pretty sweet price and coming out to basically 66 cents a piece. Another deal that almost everyone is getting a coupon for this week is Sally Hansen. So Sally Hansen nail color, not only is there a reward deal, but everyone is getting $3 off of a $12 purchase. And so this week as well, if we grab $15 worth of Sally Hansen, we're getting a $6 reward. So let's grab $15 worth, use your store $3 off coupon, and then head to the CVS list, because we've got $1 coupons from the Sunday paper, we've got $2 coupons, we've got printables here. Mix and match and grab the items that you want. One of the best deals is going to be to go with Insta-Dry. These are $5.49 in my store, so grab 3 of them, use 3 $1 off coupons, use the store coupon. After the reward, you're going to pay $1.49 a piece. Not bad for the Insta-Dry. You can also get the nail treatments. That was a deal last week where the nail treatments come out to be 99 cents after the sale and the rewards. But a person can only have so many nail treatments, so kind of a fun one to be able to grab the colors here and still pay, you know, less than $1.50 for each one of them. You can also go Miracle Gel. That is the $2 coupons that we have, but these are $10 a piece, so not going to be quite the deal that you want it to be. Maybe you grab 1 of these and 1 Insta-Dry, kind of hit that $15 threshold however you want, mix and match, but it's still going to make a pretty fun deal and a pretty great price. We always see deals on discount Christmas wrapping paper, but it's rare for us to find deals on other items. So, you know, you can't wrap every gift in Christmas paper. But this week, if your store has American Greetings, not Hallmark, and keep in mind, your store is either all Hallmark or all American Greetings. But American Greetings stores have buy one, get one on all wrapping paper, bags, cards, tissue, everything. So you'll find items as low as 99 cents before the sale. So really as low as 49 cents after the sale, depending on the items that you grab. What I would recommend with buy one, get one deals, one is full price and one is free. So please, when you're in the drugstores and you have a deal like this, always try to pick 2 items that are around the same price, or you're going to be really disappointed, because that 99-cent item versus another one that's $3.99, it'll always choose the cheapest item to be the free item. So 2 items that are the same price, but makes for a really great deal if you're trying to grab, you know, baby shower, birthday. This is all included. So it's a great time to grab what you want. There's no limit here if you really wanted to get really stocked, you could. It's American Greetings though, so make sure your store has that and not necessarily Hallmark. Stacked a few different coupons together this week to get Kotex possibly free. You're gonna wanna check your CVS app here and see what kind of offers you have. But this week, Kotex is on sale, 2 for $8, and then when you buy 2, you get back a $2 reward. We've got $2 off 2 coupons that we just got in Sunday's paper, but also in your CVS app, a lot of folks have another $2 off 2 Kotex, that's a store coupon, and $3 off 8 or $2 off 8 coupons for feminine care. You can use those together. One is a general category coupon and one is a specific item coupon. So use your 2 off 2 Kotex store, use your 2 off 8 feminine products, use your 2 off 2 manufacturers. That's $6 right there. They cost 8 when you buy 2 and you get back a $2 reward. Makes them completely free. This is the 3rd week in a row that we've seen free Kotex. So if you've already grabbed this deal, you get to do it again. This is not the same deal. It's not carrying over week after week. So get stocked again, even if you already grabbed them. There's a really good deal on detergent this week, or really a whole bunch of products. When you buy $15 worth of participating P&G items, you're gonna get a $5 extra care back. The sweet part here with any time they run this deal is that I don't actually have to buy all $15. I can be really close, but don't have to fully hit it. So you could head in and you could grab a couple Tide Pods, you could grab 1 Charmin or Bounty. They're on sale for $4.99. So grab 2 Tide Pods and 1 Charmin if you wanted. You're still gonna be short. These Tide Pods are $4.94 a piece. Charmin's $4.99, but you'll be, what is that? Basically 13 cents short. The reward should still print for everybody. Now, if it doesn't, if you go to checkout and you kind of were a little too far under that threshold, that's okay. CVS tracks you. So they'll remember how much you bought in that transaction. So just throw this guy in. Dawn is 99 cents. Throw it in, buy it in its own transaction. It will push you over the $15, but it will make that reward print. So if you're scared, I keep telling you, you don't have to buy the full amount on these dollar threshold deals that say buy $15. You just have to be close, but you don't have to be over, you don't have to be right at it on all of them. But this is a great way to test it and to play and to see that it really does work. So if by chance the reward doesn't work, then throw in the Dawn and you're gonna still get your reward as soon as you buy the Dawn in that second transaction. Now, throw in coupons too. We've got $2 off coupons on Tide Pods. We've got a digital, we've got a printable, and a coupon from the Sunday paper. So you really could get 3 here if you wanted. That's gonna put you 18 cents short, and I'm afraid that might be too much. So I wouldn't go with 3 Tide Pods, I'd go with 2 and the Charmin, so you're a little closer to the $15. But even there, that's $4.25 in coupons. We have a 25-cent tiny little coupon on the Charmin. So you're basically buying $15 worth. You're using $4.25 in coupons. It's gonna come out to $10.75. We're really rounding up there, but $10.75. You're still gonna get back that $5 reward. So in the end, you're paying $5.75 for 3 products, or basically like $1.85 a piece. Not a bad price for Tide at all. So you want to mix and match here, and this includes not just household either. It includes Pantene and Head & Shoulders, herbal essences. So there's a lot of items. Just buy $15 worth of P&G before coupons, and you're going to get that reward. So mix and match as much as you want. Use store coupons, use manufacturer's coupons. You can even pay with rewards and owe nothing. That's the joy of CVS. You'll still always get your reward back. So this is the one I wouldn't miss if you need detergent or any other household items though. One deal I would not miss this week, it's not a freebie, but it's super, super close, is a deal on boron, calendula, or Arnicare brews. So they're both $8.49, and you're gonna get back a $6 reward. You can only buy 1, the limit is 1 here. So what I would do is go calendula. There is a $2 off Ibotta available for this. So you grab this. It costs $8.49. You're gonna pay that in the store. There aren't any coupons for this right now. You're gonna get back a $6 reward, and then you can submit a picture of your receipt to the Ibotta app, and you're gonna get back $2. And in the end, you're gonna pay 49 cents for this. This is normally a $12.99 product, so perfect to keep in your medicine cabinet, and to only pay 49 cents for it. It's a limit of one, so pick which one you want, Arnicare Brews or Calendula. There has been an Arnicare coupon. I think I might have already used it. Hopefully it will still be in your Ibotta as well, but just check your Ibotta before you check out so that you know that you will be able to get that reward back. In mine, Calendula is the only one showing up, but hopefully for you, if you want to go with the brews, you'll find that in your Ibotta app as well. So that's the one I wouldn't miss. I love being able to stock my medicine cabinet for less than $1 on things that we can always use. So there you have it. There are a ton of good deals to grab this week. Definitely on cosmetics. Like, I feel like it's the whole cosmetics aisle is on sale. I limited myself to just a few brands, but you could go big. CoverGirl, Revlon, Almay, you pick. They're all on sale. And then definitely don't miss the Tide, the free Kotex, and a number of other fun deals that are running. So head to southernsavers.com/CVS to see all of these deals and to go ahead and make your shopping list. Gather your coupons right there from the shopping list and head to the store. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the other weekly videos that we share. Also, pop over and watch the deals running in Walgreens this week, and I'll put the link to that video right at the end here. Thanks again.